ओ सर,
Milord, that is the fact, my lords.
तो यही तो पुलिस को पता करना है।
Milord,
आपको कितना बेनिफिट हुआ?
Milord, nothing.
You are nobody, but you prepared the order of
Milord,
revocation.
what is the effect of that order, my lords?
Whatever it may be.
Milord, it's not an
Mr.
effect.
Counsel, इसीलिए मैं रिप्रेजेंटेशन के ऑर्डर्स नहीं करता हूँ। मुझे मालूम है कि सब वहां पे नीचे जाके भ्रष्टाचार होना है। But argue against the settled law.
As per my lords.
What is the law? Whether the criminal proceedings and disciplinary proceedings can go simultaneously or not.
My lord, definitely.
Don't put a question
my lord,
to us.
Definitely can go, but 300
Oh,
plus
1 to 1
of
for
the
Act
CRPC says
2024.
there
Yes,
should be no
Mr.
double jeopardy, my lords. That
Mr.
department
Counsel.
proceeding is not completed yet, my lord.
Mr. Counsel.
This is not completed,
Mr.
my lords.
Counsel.
My lords.
ओ मिस्टर, बड़ी तेज आवाज में आप बोल रहे हैं ना? अब हमें नहीं मालूम, बताइए।
Definitely, lordship.
नहीं मालूम हमको, हम भी उतनी तेज आवाज से बोल
What
रहे
I'm
हैं।
trying to say, my lords.
Mr. Counsel, please.
Learned single judge has come against me, my lords. Now, what has happened? Respondent number 5 has preferred a writ appeal before this court, and this honorable court was pleased to grant an interim relief in that appeal order.
आप अपना मेमो अपील पढ़िए। You have admitted everything. That you
That was a mistake, my lords. But
just a minute, sir.
yes,
You have admitted everything. That you are merely a clerk, in charge section officer. You prepared the order. Everything was done by you.
my lord.
You say it is a bona fide mistake. You could not understand the order passed by the High Court. अगर आपको 2 लाइन का सिंपल अंग्रेजी का भी ऑर्डर समझ में नहीं आता है, आप अपीलेट अथॉरिटी हैं।
My lord, I will point out an intelligence in that, my lords.
Just of all, let us start from the order which was issued by this court.
Yes, my lords.
What was the original order?
My lord, the original.
Just to decide the appeal against the order of,
That was there, my lords.
right?
But my lords, one thing is there. My lord, the executive engineer specifically says that he reinstated the respondent number 5 on his own. My
वो
lord,
भी तो है, उसके खिलाफ भी तो FIR।
nothing, my lords, nothing.
भाई साहब,
Nothing is there, my lord, against him.
300
FIR is against me.
सर प्लीज, अब आप चाहें तो आपके पूरे बार के सामने आपकी पूरी अपील पढ़ देता हूँ। फिर आप कुछ भी बहस नहीं कर पाएंगे।
My lord, FIR.
In the entire memo of appeal, you have admitted everything. And before the writ court, you had admitted everything. Now you want that you should be allowed to go scot-free? Why?
My lord, for that departmental proceeding is going.
Yes,
My lords.
yes.
But
fine.
my lord, now pervasive of this order, my lords, this honorable High Court order, the criminal proceeding is only initiated against me, my lords.
Fine, yes.
And my lords, what is the today's status, my lords?
Hmm.
Mr. Ghanshyam Sen, against whom the dispute was there, this honorable court has issued notice and granted him interim relief, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, ultimately, I am not the beneficiary of the. My lord. I may be default on a part that I committed
Sir,
an error. And committed an error, my lord.
What a honest argument, sir. I am not the beneficiary. I am maybe a defaulter.
My lord,
Do you think this is the reality?
yes, my lord.
Oh,
that is-
sir.
My lord, that is the fact, my lords.
तो यही तो पुलिस को पता करना है।
My lord,
आपको कितना बेनिफिट हुआ?
my lord, nothing.
You are nobody, but you prepared the order of
My lord,
revocation.
what is
of
the effect of that order, my lords?
Whatever it may be.
My lord, it's not an
Mr.
effect.
Counsel, whatever it may be. Once you had no authority, why you prepared it? Why did you? I think it was signed by you also.
No, my lords.
मैं देख लेता हूँ आपके एडमिशंस क्या हैं।
Please.
क्या एडमिशंस हैं आपने? इसीलिए मैं रिप्रेजेंटेशन के ऑर्डर्स नहीं करता हूँ। मुझे मालूम है कि सब वहां पे नीचे जाके भ्रष्टाचार होना है। एक बाबू उठा के अपीलेट अथॉरिटी के पावर एक्सरसाइज कर देगा और अपीलेट अथॉरिटी को डायरेक्शन है और बाबू जो है रिवोकेशन का ऑर्डर पास कर देगा।
My lord, वो order.
क्या my lord यार, ये है हमारे ऑर्डर्स के इस तरीके का मिसयूज। आप कहते हैं कि आई एम नॉट द बेनिफिशियरी। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बेनिफिशियरी?
My lord, this order was not in effect, my lords. And my lord, अगर उस order का effect हो, then I will be not.
Whatever it
in
is, sir.
case.
Whatever it is.
I don't have any case, my lord. But my lord, kindly appreciate executive engineer ने उनको अपने power का exercise करते हुए.
तो मेरे भाई, आपने अपनी सील, अपने सिग्नेचर और अपने ऑर्डर, अपने
My lord, अगर हम अपना signature use कर रहे हैं, तो how it can be said? My lord, the order.
बाबू हो, don't try to impress upon us कि as if you are working as superintending engineer or the appellate authority. Mr. Counsel, once you don't have any authority, then neither you can sign nor you can put your seal. At the most, you can take dictation and then hand it over to the person who was competent. क्या बहस कर रहे हो यार?
My lord,
एक अनऑथोराइज्ड आदमी सस्पेंशन रिवोक कर देता है हाई कोर्ट के उस ऑर्डर को मिसयूज करते हुए कि जिसमें हाई कोर्ट ने अपीलेट अथॉरिटी को बिल डिसाइड करने का डायरेक्शन
with
दिया।
due respect, my lords, हमारे order से suspension revoke नहीं हुआ था, my lords. That is the case, my lords.
Fine. No, sir.
My lord, then connect my matter with the.
No, so sorry.
My lord, the writ appeal is pending.
Sorry. The facts are different, allegations are different.
My lord, the allegations are.
WA 1214 of
My lord, मैं एक चीज देख ले लॉर्ड.
पता है ना?
My lord, executive engineer gives a specific affidavit that on his own he has reinstated Ghanshyam Sen because he was retired.
आएगा भाई साहब, पुलिस जब पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगी ना, तो पक्का है स्वप्निल जी से पूछेगी और कौन कौन बन रहा है स्वप्निल जी।
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, he is
स्वप्निल जी
protected.
सबको क्या ले ले,
My lord,
चिंता
he
नहीं
is
करो,
protected today. My lord, no nothing
कोई
case is
चिंता
going.
मत करो, चिंता मत
So
करो,
cause notice हमारे खिलाफ है, my lord.
कोई बात नहीं, एफआईआर भी
I'm
आप ही के
suspended
खिलाफ,
today, my lord. Everything is going on against me.
एफआईआर भी आप ही के खिलाफ है।
My lord, FIR भी हमारे खिलाफ ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है.
बहुत अच्छा हुआ सर।
But my lord, हमारे उस ऑर्डर का अगर कोई इफेक्ट हो, and my lord, that I have admitted a mistake. For that against me is
बहुत अच्छी बात है
my
सर,
lord.
बहुत
Lord,
अच्छी बात है।
क्या एक चीज के लिए can fund for an offense can be several proceedings
मिस्टर, डोंट आर्ग्यू अगेंस्ट द सेटल्ड लॉ।
as per my lords.
What is the law? Whether the criminal proceedings and disciplinary proceedings can go simultaneously or not.
My lord, definitely.
Don't put a question
my lord,
to us.
Definitely can go, but 300
Oh,
plus
1 to 1 for
CRPC says
2024.
there
Let's
should be no
Mr.
double jeopardy, my lords. That
Mr.
department
Counsel.
proceeding is not completed yet, my lord.
Mr. Counsel,
This is not completed,
Mr.
my lord.
Counsel, चलिए सर, डबल जियोपार्डी के प्रोविजंस आज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कहाँ पे हैं और सीआरपीसी में कहाँ पे हैं, दोनों जगह पे प्रोविजंस हैं, बताइए,
My lord है, but
बताइए। नहीं,
my lords,
ओ मिस्टर, बड़ी तेज आवाज में आप बोल रहे हैं ना, अब हमें नहीं मालूम, बताइए।
definitely lordship.
नहीं मालूम हमको, हम भी उतनी तेज आवाज से बोल
What
रहे
I'm
हैं।
trying to say, my lords,
मिस्टर काउंसिल प्लीज,
as per my lords.
कौन से आर्टिकल में है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में डबल जियोपार्डी?
My lord,
मिस्टर आर्टिकल बताओ, मिलॉर्ड नहीं है आर्टिकल।
my lord, Article 12 subclause 2 deals with this double jeopardy.
आर्टिकल 12,
Yes, my lords.
आर्टिकल 12
Article 12 deals with the double jeopardy.
है,
Article, I'm sorry, my lords. Article 20 subclause 2 deals with the double
सब
jeopardy.
क्लॉज टू, व्हाट डज इट से?
My lord, it says that for a single offense there will be multiple proceedings, my lords.
है,
What I'm
है,
trying to say, what I'm trying to say,
है, क्या कह रहे हो?
my lord, मैं कह
लाना भैया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन,
my lord, what I'm trying to say,
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है तो सीधा सीधा क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो? मालूम है कि उसके बाद अगले क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, फिर अब आपको परेशानी आ जाएगी। जी सर।
my lord, हम कुछ और कहना चाह रहे हैं. What
जी।
I'm trying to say, कि my lord, डिपार्टमेंटल प्रोसीडिंग अभी हमारे खिलाफ चल रही है. That will be concluded, that will take its course, my lord.
कोई बात नहीं सर,
My lord, FIR on a similar time, my lords.
कोई बात-
On this order repression, my lords.
कोई बात नहीं सर,
और my lord, जो मेन आदमी हैं, उनके खिलाफ स्टे है this court.
कोई बात नहीं।
That is my only point, my lord. I'm nothing pointing else apart from this.
WA 1214/2024 इंट्रा कोर्ट अपील अंडर सेक्शन 2 ब्रैकेट में 1 ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय ब्रैकेट में खंडपीठ को अपील ब्रैकेट क्लोज अधिनियम 2005 हैज बीन फाइल्ड अगेंस्ट द ऑर्डर डेटेड 15/4/2024 passed in WP number 2396/2024. The facts of the present case lies in a narrow campus. One Ghanshyam Sen, SEN, was placed under suspension. He filed a writ petition, which was disposed of with the direction to the appellate authority to decide the appeal. However, the undisputed facts are that the petitioner, who was working as clerk and in charge section officer, prepared an order of revocation of suspension on his own and under his seal and signatures. It is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is being departmentally proceeded for his act and the simultaneous prosecution under criminal law would amount to double jeopardy for the system. It is further submitted that the writ appeal filed by a co-respondent, namely क्या है, किसकी अपील है,
Ghanshyam, I have the writ appeal order, my lords.
आप बताएं,
Writ appeal number 10.
पार्टीज ने बताएं।
Ghanshyam Sen versus the managing directors.
That Ghanshyam Prasad Sen has also filed WA number, क्या है सर WA number?
WA number is 10/25 of 24.
10/25 of 2024 and notices have been issued.